We have created this dental AI agent which is trained on Smile Delhi Dental Clinic, and basically our agents are tailored toward the business brand identity. As you can see here, there is a fire safety agent which is tailored toward their brand. Similarly, we have a dental AI agent which is tailored toward this Smile Delhi Dental Clinic. Now let's see the working of it. So the conversation starts with a greeting. So we can give a name to our AI agent. So in this case, it's a smiley. So there are certain action buttons which a user can take. Let's go from bottom to top. So before and after image button. So here we showcase the before and after treatment images. So here if the user clicks on one of the buttons, they can see the before and after images. The thing is, like, a user can even click on the button, or the user can ask in the through chat also. Like for example, if we in message text box, if we type show treatment images, so still the AI agent would be able to recognize the intent what the user want to say, and it will show the same result. A user can give multiple inputs or different types of input. So if it gives like before and after results, still the agent will able to recognize the intent. Now what if now the user wants to go back to the main menu, because as above the buttons are disabled, so you can simply ask from the agent to go back to the main menu, and it will take you back to the main menu. User can even take a virtual tour of the website by clicking on the virtual tour button. So once the user click on the virtual tour button, they will be redirected to the virtual tour page of the clinic, from which they can take the virtual tour of the clinic. Similarly, like instead of clicking a button, if the user want to type it in the chat box, like I want to take the tour of the clinic, or show me virtual tour of the clinic, so still the agent would be able to recognize the intent of the user, and the same virtual button and click here redirect link would be available to the user. Now again, let's go back to the main menu. Like first we said like take me back to the main menu. Right now, like we can go back to the main menu. See, as you can see, like even if like the spelling of the back is wrong, still the agent is able to recognize the intent. Now let's go with the services. As you can see, like there are multiple services provided by the Smile Delhi Clinic. So let's go with one of the services, pediatric dentist. So once the user click on the button, a brief description of the service would be provided to the user, where as you can see here, it is telling about the pediatric dentist and mentioning Dr. Sharon Paul. So it also provided a link of the page, so now the user don't have to go to the dental service page, then pediatric dentistry. They can directly go to that page, and let's see Dr. Paul. See, as you can see that Dr. Paul is the main service provider for this service, pediatric dentist, which the agent mentioned. So similarly, like user can also ask in the chatbot, like instead of clicking a button, they can say like list your services, and still the agent would be able to recognize the intent of the user, and they would be provided with the same results. So another service is Smile Makeover. Let's see what the agent gives. So the agent provided the response by giving a brief description and the procedure of the Smile Makeover. Teeth whitening, so you get the gist, right? So now let's try to give another way of asking the same question: what services do you provide? So still the agent is able to recognize the intent. Now if we want to go back to the main menu, let's give a different sentence to the agent. Let's see if the agent is able to recognize the intent. Let's say show me main menu. Dental tourism button, it gives the description of the dental tourism and what are the advantages of taking the dental tourism. with the link of the dental tourism page of in the website. So here are the benefits. So here is the link which redirect to the dental tourism page of the website. Now comes the most important feature of our agent, which is to book a free consultation and a book appointment. So let's go through with it. When the user will click on the free consultation button, the user will directly able to book the consultations in the bot itself. So as you can see, a Calendly form will be open where the user can select the date and they can select the time. They can give their information like name, email, contact number, and once the user click on the submit button, the consultation will be scheduled and the notification will be received by you in your provided Gmail ID or a mail ID. Another important feature of the agent is to book an appointment. So let's see. Once the user click on the book appointment button, a form will be opened. So where the user can fill their details like their name, number, email, general informations like appointment type if it's an international or a domestic line. They can provide the tentative date. They can choose their service, and once the user click on the submit button, the form will be successfully submitted and a confirmation will be provided in the next step. So once the user submit the form, all the information of the user will be directly saved into a Google Sheet. As you can see here, it is Smile Delhi Clinic Leads. So the information that we provided is saved in the Google Sheet. Not only that, once the new row has been added to this sheet, you will even receive a mail in your provided email ID where you can see the format as you can see here, like a new appointment for Smile Delhi. You can also see the mail that we received for the free consultations that we booked through Calendly from. So here is the mail for the same. This is a really powerful feature, like whenever the lead has been submitted through your AI agent and it has been added to a Google Sheet, you will receive an email that a lead has been added to your lead list. Another really powerful feature that we provide to you is a standalone dashboard. We will provide you with the link of this dashboard and the user email and the password of it. So where you can see like all the information related to your AI agent. Let's see how the dashboard looks. As you can see in the dashboard, like we have three options: home, conversations, and analytics. In home, you will have all the main features of the AI agent, and the second part is like the conversations part. Now it's a really important part where you can see all the conversations that the user had with your AI agent. So as you can see, like here is the conversation that we were having with the agent. So this is the total information. Like it's really powerful. Like as you can see, like you will be able to see what your clients are asking from your agent or what they are looking in your website. So you will be able to have the overall idea what your clients are looking for, what are their pain points, or what are the most demanding dental service that they are looking for. So another important feature is the analytics, like where you can see the conversations, total conversation happens, what are the top intents that were triggered, how many messages the agent was able to understand, and how many message like agent was not able to understand. You can also see the total conversations, what's the user retention, how long the user was engaged with the AI agent, what are the top what are the unique traffics, and what's the time retention. And we are still not finished. No. One of the most important feature of this dashboard, as you can see here, is the live conversations. Now let's explore this option. So when a user will interact with your agent, for example, let me start it now. Start a new conversation. Let me ask a question. Do you fix teeth alignment? Yes, we fixed teeth alignment. It has provided a link, and now as you can see, like a live conversation has been started. Now once we go to the conversation tab, let's click on the conversations tab, and we can see here a few seconds ago a new conversation has been started. Let me ask another question. Does it pain in root canal treatment? Let's see what it's provide. Root canal treatment is not painful. The pain you may experience is due to infection in the tooth, and the treatment actually relieves this pain. It has also provided with the link, which is the root canal treatment page. Now you see the step has been decreased. Like instead of going to services and then clicking on the root canal treatment, we can directly go. So now in the dashboard you can see like there is a button, continue chat yourself. When you click on it, this message box will be active and you will be able to type a message. So from here you can start the chat with your client. So here I see you are looking for root canal services. How can I help? So as you can see, like the option has come like now chatting with Smile Delhi, and here now we can do the live conversation with a patient or a client. Let's say I totally understand. It happens all the time. Before the procedure, do you want to schedule? No. Do you want to book and do you want to consult with our doctor? So you get the idea, right? Like we can have a live conversation with a patient or a client. So with the help of this AI agent, we are able to do 5 things. First, we can provide customer support of 24/7, 365 days. And it is also second, it is also acting as a lead generation tool where we are getting the leads into a Google Sheet and submitting it and even getting the mail in our Gmail. Third is it is also acting as an appointment setter. You can book an appointment like free consultancy. Fourth, we can see the conversations, we can see the analytics, we can get the whole idea of like what the client wants or what the patients want. And fifth, the most important, like we are able to conversate live with our visitors in our website. So the opportunities are endless, and we are constantly like working on upgrading the agent. We are keep on building new features to it, and we are keep on upgrading it. So I hope you like this demo. So at last but not the least, we are Divu AI, your AI automation company. Thank you so much.